Welcome. In this video, we will tackle the Boolean parenthesization problem. This is a classic dynamic programming challenge where we need to count the number of ways to parenthesize a Boolean expression so that it evaluates to true. Let's first understand the problem. We are given a string containing Boolean values true and false, along with three types of operators, AND, OR, and XOR. Our goal is to find how many different ways we can place parentheses around these values and operators such that the final result of the expression is true. As you can see in the example, changing the order of operations can change the result from false to true. To solve this, we use a divide and conquer strategy. We can split the expression into two parts at every operator. For any range from index I to j, we iterate through every operator at index k. This partitions the problem into a left subexpression and a right subexpression. We then solve these smaller problems recursively. Let's look at the logic for the AND operator. For the result of left and right to be true, both the left side must be true and the right side must be true. So, the number of ways to achieve this is the number of ways the left side evaluates to true, multiplied by the number of ways the right side evaluates to true. For the OR operator, we have more possibilities. The result is true if at least one of the sides is true. This means we can have true or true, true or false OR true. We sum up the number of ways for all three of these combinations to get the total count for the OR operator. For the XOR operator, the result is true if exactly one of the sides is true. This means we either need left true and right false, or left false and right true. We calculate the ways for these two scenarios and add them together. If we just use simple recursion, we will run into a performance issue. The same subproblems will be calculated many times. For example, the middle section of the expression might be evaluated multiple times as part of different larger splits. This leads to exponential time complexity, which is too slow for large inputs. To fix this, we use dynamic programming, specifically memoization. We create a 3D table or a map to store the results of our subproblems. The state is defined by the start index I, the end index j, and a Boolean flag indicating if we are counting ways to get true or false. Before computing a result, we check this table to see if we have already solved it. With dynamic programming, our time complexity becomes cubic, or big O of n cubed, because for each of the n squared states, we iterate through the length of the substring. The space complexity is big O of n squared, which is the size of the table needed to store the results. In summary, we solve Boolean parenthesization by partitioning the expression at every operator. We recursively calculate the number of ways each side can be true or false, and then combine those results based on the logic of AND, OR, and XOR. Finally, we apply memoization to ensure our solution is efficient. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.